How to perform t-test in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I will show you the process by doing in Google Spreadsheet. The process is just the same for Microsoft Excel as well. So first, here I have taken some data, that's male and female. Now in order to perform a t-test, first go to Insert. Now go to Function. After that, go to Engineering. Go to Statistical, and then you will find t-test over here. Here you can see t-test. Now done. Simply enter the value and your data will be calculated with a t-test. A t-test will be performed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.